I found you, Ellie.
How did you know, John?
I had a feeling.
I'm glad. School feels so cruel today.
I could feel it too.
What are you doing here?
Waiting for my sister. I will wait right here.
Are you staying, John?
Deep wounds take more time.
I did not tell anyone.
Love is not always fixing.
Then what is it, John?
It is standing beside you.
I can feel that now.
You were brave today, Ellie.
You were brave to wait. Will you wait tomorrow too?
Every day, if you ask. Love is not always fixing.
Then what is it, John?
Someone should walk with you.
I am glad it is you.
Let us take the long way.
The sun feels warm now.
You are my sister. You are brave for staying.
I wanted to run away.
You are okay, Ellie. You are not broken, Ellie.
The words felt like glass.
I once forgot my speech.
The entire speech, John?
Yes, the whole thing. Yes, and they laughed loud.
That sounds so scary.
Laughter helps the heart.
You are funny when you laugh. I think I feel better now.
I am glad to hear it. We are almost home now.
I do not feel sad anymore.
Let us take the long way.
The sun feels warm now.